Hello class 8th, welcome back to your English class. So in the last classes we have studied a poem from your book, that was The Ant and the Cricket, and we have done the summary of the poem in your copy. So today we shall begin with the exercise questions of your poem. So all this exercise contains a few of the important questions and only the important questions will be done in your classwork copy. So let's begin with the notes of your poem. Starting with the first question, just pick up your copy and put on a heading important exercise questions like this. Put on a heading over the top of the margin line, important exercise question, and underline that properly. Now write down the first question. The cricket says, "Oh, what will happen of me?" Question mark. When does he say it and why? So the first question of your book is first important question of your exercise is, the cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" Question mark. When does he say it and why? Start writing the answer to this. The cricket speaks these words on the arrival of the winter. आपको याद होगा व्हेन आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग द पोएम इट वॉज क्लियरली सेड कि उसको ये सारा टेंशन तभी आया जैसे ही विंटर अराइव होने लगा बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द सीजन टू अराइव सो ही सेड दिस द क्रिकेट स्पीक्स दीज वर्ड्स ऑन द अराइवल ऑफ द विंटर ही सेज सो बिकॉज ही फाइंड्स दैट देयर इज़ नो फूड फॉर हिम इन द हाउस ऐसा उसने इसलिए बोला बिकॉज उसे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि उसके घर में कुछ भी खाने को नहीं है सो द क्रिकेट स्पीक्स दीज वर्ड्स ऑन द अराइवल ऑफ विंटर. He says so because he finds that there is no food for him in the house. So this is a question 1. If you cannot match up with my speaking speed, please try to pause the screen and write it. Moving to the next question. What is your opinion of the ants principle? आपको याद होगा while we were studying the poem, the ants clearly told about the principle that they follow in their life. That we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. So इस प्रिंसिपल के बारे में आपका क्या ओपिनियन है? एंड्स जो प्रिंसिपल अपने लाइफ में फॉलो करते हैं, प्रिंसिपल का मतलब यहाँ पे स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल नहीं है, इट इज़ दी वैल्यूज़ दैट वी फॉलो इन आवर लाइफ. द वो हिंदी में आपने सुना होगा ना, सिद्धांत. सो इट इज़ अबाउट दैट. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग द आंसर. I agree with what the ants say in the first line, that one should have something for the future so that he does not need to borrow or lend. We basically should follow this fundamental in our life because it helps you to lead a life in a very simple way. So what was the view? I agree with what the ants says first, that one should have something for the future so that he does not need to borrow or lend. But I don't agree with the ant's principle, what he told later. If he says he is a friend of a cricket, then he should also help a cricket at the time of distress. ये वाली बात तक तो ठीक था, but then the ant said that it is not going to help the cricket, and it gave a suggestion that go and dance the winters away. That is something where we cannot agree, because if you say someone that you are a friend, so you are supposed to help the person, your friend, when it is a tough time. That is what friendship is all about. So I will repeat the answer, but I don't agree with the ant's principle, what he told later. If he says he's a friend of the cricket, then he should also help the cricket at the time of distress. Full stop. On the other hand, I believe that a friend in need is a friend indeed. This is a famous proverb, you must have heard about it. So you will end up your answer writing the line, on the other hand, I believe that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So this is the second answer. Moving on to the next question. Next important question. The ant tells the cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? If so, why? If you remember the comment of the ant that it gave to the cricket, it said to cricket to that it will not be helping him, so he should leave this place and go and dance the winters away. So do you agree with the statement that the ant gave? So let's start writing the answer. Yes, the word dance is appropriate here. We feel that the word dance is appropriate है. Basically होता है कि whenever we talk about singing, तो singing and dancing go together. तो because the cricket said that singing was its favorite task, so the ant gave a suggestion. तो वो that was not wrong in any way. So yes, the word dance is appropriate here, full stop. It is so because the cricket had spoken of his love for singing. It is so because the cricket had spoken for his love for singing, full stop. Singing and dancing go together. As I told you already, ki singing and dancing always go together. So the ant gave this comment just because the cricket said about its love for the singing thing. So this was the third answer. Moving to the fourth question. Write the comment write the comment of the poet in your own words. If you remember at last the poet said folks called it as a story but I called it as true. There was a line in the poem of the end at the end of the poem where poet gave a comment that folks call this a fable, I will warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some crickets have 2. तो इस पे आपसे आपका comment पूछा जा रहा है. So let's start writing the answer. People say that this is a short story with a moral. What was a fable? As I told you in the beginning of the poem. So people say that this is a short story with a moral. However, it is true. और ये बात सही भी है. There are people in this world who spend all their earnings when they are capable of earning. In the moments of crisis or in the old age, they find that they don't have any money to depend upon. बेसिकली यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लेन किया जा रहा है कि वो स्टेटमेंट जो पोइट ने दिया था वो किस रेफरेंस में दिया था उन्होंने. सो द रेफरेंस वाज बेसिकली कि इट वाज अबाउट बेसिकली द पीपल हु मिस यूज द अर्निंग्स इन देयर यंग एज एंड देन स्टे अनहैप्पी एट देयर ओल्ड एज बिकॉज एट द एंड they have nothing else that can actually save their old age to be a happy one. So that is what the poet is telling here. People say that this is a short story with a moral. However, it is true. There are people in the world who spend all their earnings when they are capable of earning, full stop. In the moments of crisis or in their old age, they find that they don't have any money to depend upon. Such people, comma, says the poet, comma, are like the cricket of the story, full stop. The moral of the poem is save something for bad days. So basically, the poet wants to say at the end that this comment was basically for such people like cricket. So the moral, so basically what he wants to convey is save something for the bad days. That's it. So by this you're done with the last answer. If you could not match with the speaking speed, please pause the screen and write down your answers in your fair copy. You're grown up enough to know what are the basic rules of maintaining your notes. So these are the 4 answers that you have to write in your answer copy. These are the important exercise questions. And by this we are completely done with the poem. I hope you have understood it. And if there is still any doubt, just let me know. I shall get back to you with the suitable answers. So stay home, stay safe, and take care.